Molotow cocktail, the local drink. And all she wants to do is dance, dance, and mix them up right in the kitchen sink.